Hi, today I'm going to make an experiment. I want to check if I can predict the movement of BTCUSD price before it happens. For that, I will use the Forexfactory economic data release. Forexfactory will post economic data on real time. Now it's 8:28 a.m. New York time and it is now 3:28 p.m. Athens time. As we see here at 8:30 a.m., the USD retail sales and the core retail sales will be released. The core retail, it is expected to come 1%, and the retail sales, it's expected to come 2.1%. If it comes better than expected, then the dollars will go up and BTC over USD will go down. So let's watch and see the released data. At the same time, I will open the BTC USD chart and try to predict the movement. So I open the BTC USD 4 hours chart and I will wait for the data. And as you see these green refresh buttons, it means that the data is released. And you see here the core retail sale came better than expected. But the chart is not moving because the retail sale data is not released yet. I will switch to the 5 minutes chart here because it will be more visible, the movement. So I will refresh the button to see the data, and it came better than expected. So the dollar, it will go up, and the BTC USD, it will go down. So now if you can sell BTC USD because it will go down. It will go down. I'm very sure the data came better than expected and much more better than expected. So I am expecting here the Bitcoin dollar to fall down. As you see here, it came much more better than expected. So it's a great indicator that Bitcoin, it will fall down. So I will wait it to see if my prediction is correct. So the price, it was at 44,100 and we begin to see a good move, the BTC going down. And taking a sell trend. I don't know how much the momentum is strong and till what price it will reach, but what I am seeing here that it's a very good momentum and it's falling down. It's just falling down from 44,100. We will wait it together and see where it will arrive. Now it's 3:34 p.m. 4 minutes after the data has been released. As you see here, it fall down from the 44,100. I'm very sure that it will not stop here. It will go much more to much more lower levels. As you see here, the move, it's gaining much more momentum, falling down. It's a very nice move. It's a very nice move. As you see, we predicted the move before it happens. So after a few hours, I return back to the chart and I see a very nice movement, very nice profit. So before the data release, the price it was here at this line 44,100, and after the data release it fall down this bars, this short bars, and it reached the 43,300. It's very nice move. It's a very nice move. It's like 5, 10, 15, maximum 1 hour. In 1 hour, it makes this downtrend. So our prediction, it was in its place. It was very correct. I will do much more experiments with the Forexfactory released data, and I will see the impact of this economic data release on our chart, on our trading. Thank you so much for watching.